Hi everyone, this is Bhavya and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be creating this smoky eye look which I have created specially using Eleanor products which were sent to me by Glamourada.com. I will leave the Glamourada's Instagram handle in my description box, so do check it out. I was really happy the way this look has turned out, and this will look absolutely stunning during daytime. So if you like this look, then please keep on watching this video. I'm going to quickly start with my base makeup. The foundation that I'm using is not from Eleanor, it is from MAC Cosmetics, and the concealer also is not from Eleanor, it is from LA Pro. And products that I have not used from Eleanor, I'm going to leave their link or their description in the description bar, so yeah, please do check it out. I'm going to buff everything with my beauty blender and then set everything with a pressed powder, and then I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I have recently been using the brow pomade from Maybelline and I'm kind of liking it. The full review will be up on glossup.com. And now for my eyeshadow, I will be using this pearlish pinkish shade from the Eleanor Trio Powder eyeshadow and apply it all over my eyelid and on my brow bone. And then I will take this grey shade on my blending brush and pop it into my crease line. I quite like the packaging and the pigment of this Eleanor eyeshadow. And then I'm going to take this black eyeshadow on flat brush and put it on the outer 1/3 of my eye. While applying the black eyeshadow, I'm going to push it towards my crease line as well to give that smoky look to my eyes. While using grey and black, I could see a tremendous amount of fallout, so I will go ahead and clean it with my beauty blender. Then I'm going to take the same black eyeshadow and put it on the outer 1/3 of my lower lash line, and then on my inner corners I will take that highlighter shade and drag it towards the black eyeshadow on my lower lash line. I experienced a lot of fallout while creating this look, especially from grey and black eyeshadow, so I will go ahead and conceal and blend it and set it with a pressed powder. I will be using Eleanor Ultra Shine lipstick for my blush. This is in the shade Cranberry. The lipstick is not quite long lasting, but it will last on your lips like a stain effect it will give for like 4 to 5 hours. And then I'm going to take that same pinkish pearlish eyeshadow and highlight my face. And then I will be applying lipstick from Eleanor Intense Color Lipstick range. This is in the shade Cinnamon. The positive side of this lipstick is that it is quite moisturizing. The staying power of both lipsticks are not that much as compared to the price. Also, these lipsticks are not at all transfer proof. So guys, this is the finished and the complete look. I hope you like this video. If you like, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'm going to see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye!